To change control center style on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, you can do this by using a custom theme. Unfortunately, there is no clear indicator how to actually find a theme that specifically changes the style of the control center, because in some cases if you download a theme that it doesn't change at all, in some cases it changes a lot. For example, in my case, I have two themes that I can show you that actually have a different style. The first one is this one, Dora UBR, made by this user over here, so you can type their name in the search field in order to try to get this theme for free. And there's another one that I'm gonna show you, this Colorful 26 Pro, made by Dami. And in this case, let me just quickly show you how it looks like. There we go. It is transparent. It looks pretty cool as well. So of course you can give it a try too. And it also changes a little bit the appearance of these buttons. So you can give it a try. You can try to search for different themes over here, and hopefully you can find something that you like a lot. Leave a like and subscribe.